everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a dog, so let's get started. So the colors you will need are brown, yellow, tan, green, and pink. And a pencil to draw with, and I have an eraser just in case if I have to erase. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're gonna make this dog sitting. So we're gonna draw a head on top, just like we did in the kitty video. So first draw a big circle like that, and then draw two eyes by doing two circles, and then do two little circles inside. And I know these eyes are a bit bigger than the other ones we made, but it's fine. Okay, now let's draw the mouth like that, and then draw the nose. And draw a little tongue. And then for the ears, I'm not going to make them pointed, but I know that some dogs have pointed ears, but some dogs have floppy ears, so I'm going to draw floppy ears. So if you want to make floppy ears, do this. And I'm going to add eyelashes too. And I'm not going to make the inside of the ears because the inside of the ears are in the back and you can't see them. So we'll need pink for the tongue only. And now let's draw a body by doing a big shape like that. And then draw 4 lines. And then do a little bit of space like that, and then do that, and then draw the feet like that, and do the same on the other side like that, and then do this like we did in the kitty video, doing this. I think in this video it looks kinda more like it's sitting. I'm not sure why, but it looks cool like that. And now let's draw the sun because we have yellow. So draw a big circle like that, and then draw lines like that. And I'm doing the sun different this time. I'm not sure why, but I think it looks more cool like this. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Like that. And then let's draw the grass. And when we finish doing the grass, let's do something on the feet. And I'll draw the tail too. So this time I'm not gonna do little lines here, but do it on these feet. Then let's do the tail. And this time I'm gonna do it kind of different. I'm just gonna do that. And let's draw some spots because we have tan and brown. So maybe I'll do a little spot right here and here. Then draw this like that for the other one. And maybe draw a little spot here. And maybe here and there. That. And now let's get coloring. So let's color in the tongue because it's really small like that. then get yellow and color in the sun. And if you've noticed, I'm using colored pencils, and if you don't have colored pencils, use crayons or markers. And then do yellow on these sticks that we made. Okay, and now let's color in the spots with tan. And color in the spot. And I think I'm gonna add a bit more spots on the legs. Like maybe here and there, maybe. So it looks more cool. And color in this one, and this one, and these ones too. And now get brown and color in the whole puppy. And I think I'm gonna make these eyelashes a little bit more dark, so you can see them with the brown, because it's really dark. So you can see it more. And I think I'm gonna make the mouth a little bit more darker, and the little tongue, and the nose too. And my brown's kind of dark too, and if you don't have dark brown, but it just says brown, if you have crayons and it's not that dark, it's okay. So because you won't have to make the eyelashes and nose, mouth, and tongue darker. But I'm using this color. And color in the body. And color in the other leg too. And now color in the other foot. And color in the tail too. Like that. And now, last but not least, color in the grass. And there we drew a cute little doggy. So, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So bye everyone.